Hey everyone, it's Lisa here. In this mini course for Blot and Bloom, I'll guide you through all the goodies included in the set and help you get comfortable with your brushes. In the first session, we'll start with a simple overview of the brushes and play around so you can learn each brush's intended use. We also have a quick look at the canvas effects and how you can adjust them to your taste and needs. Then we move on to painting a cotton flower together. It's a nice, easy way to get familiar with the brushes and how they feel in action. In the deep dive session, we'll take things a little further and paint a lovely cluster of magical mushrooms, helping you build more confidence and get more in-depth understanding of your brushes. Your purchase also includes a detailed brush guide which explains what each brush was designed to do, so you can come back to it any time as a helpful reference. There's also a comprehensive written tutorial showing my painting process for creating a girl portrait with her little singing friend. I recommend working through this mini course first, then use the step-by-step guide and color palette included to create your own lovely version of a portrait when you feel ready. This Master Your Brushes series is designed to help you feel confident using your brushes without the overwhelm. You'll have everything you need to create these pieces without any unnecessary extras to distract you. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation to start using these brushes confidently in your own work. Okay, so let's dive in.